Frost by Anna DITTMANN, Special Treatment version 3. We start the special treatment with some lightning diamonds that we have placed on the white areas of the picture. So these are the lightning diamonds, as well as these ones. And in some other areas, like on the petals and also in the whitest areas in the background. For version 2, we have dark sea crystals that we have placed on the middle of the flowers. So the middle of the flowers has dark sea crystals. And then finally for version 3, we've got black diamonds that we have sprinkled on the darkest areas of the picture, just to give it like a glittering feel coming from the darkness, which is mainly her hair and then some in the background. So once again, this is Frost by Anna DITTMANN version 3, lightning diamonds, dark sea crystals, and black diamonds.